All right. In this video, I'm gonna focus on open and closed pipe. Okay, we are going to get the definition of open pipe and also know the definition of closed pipe. Okay, now let's get the definition, or let's know the definition of open pipe here. Please write. Open pipe is a tube that is open at both ends. So it means that in an open pipe, both ends in an open pipe, both ends are open. Please take note. Alright, so in an open pipe, both ends are open. So in terms of an open pipe, we have an anode. In terms of an open pipe, we have an anode. That means we have a minimum amplitude in terms of an open pipe. Please take note, okay? So now, in terms of an open pipe, we have antinode. In terms of an open pipe, we have antinode, please. In terms of an open pipe, for an open pipe, we have antinode. Please take note. As antinode is said to be maximum amplitude. Please take note of that. Okay. So now let's look into the mathematical formula that relates an open pipe with wave parameters. So the formula that relates an open pipe with wave parameter is said to be lambda is equal to 2L. Please take note. Where lambda is equal to wave length, okay, and the L is said to be length. So if I know the formula, so if I know this parameter here, I can easily calculate for the velocity. Please remember, if I know my wavelength and frequency is given in a particular question, we can easily calculate for wavelength. All right. So now let's look into the next one here. The next pipe is said to be closed pipe. Okay, and also know the formula relating to closed pipe, and also get the exam tips on closed pipe. So for closed pipe, closed pipe. So let's get the definition of a closed pipe. Okay, closed pipe is a tube that is open at one end and closed at the other end. Closed pipe is a tube that is open at one end and closed at the other end. That means one end is open, the other end is closed, just like an empty bottle. So an empty bottle is an example of closed pipe. Please take note. So the open part form antinode, the closed part form anode. The open part form antinode, while the closed part form a node. Please take note. Okay. So now let's look into the wave parameter that relates open pipe with the length, that is lambda is equal to 4L. Please take note of this. Okay. So in our next video, we are going to look into the frequency of an open pipe, the overturn of an open pipe. We are going to look into the frequency, the harmony. Sorry, we are going to look into the fundamental frequency for an open pipe, and the harmony of an open pipe, and the overturn of an open pipe. And we're also going to look into the fundamental frequency for a closed pipe, the harmony for a closed pipe, and the overturn for a closed pipe. Okay, the formula for the overturn of an open pipe is not the same with the formula for overturn for a closed pipe. Okay, now for an open pipe, the overturn frequency is said to be n plus 1 times f naught. Please take note of that. So for a closed pipe, the overturn frequency is said to be 2n plus 1 f naught, and the f naught here is said to be the fundamental frequencies. All you have to do to get this video on how to solve open pipe and closed pipe is to hit the subscribe button, and also share, and also comment. Okay, thank you so much. This is Best Academy TV, the best TV in mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Thank you.